Assalamualaikum. My name is TAUFIK Haikal Zulkefli. My metric number is 10-21F1049 for the EOC Chapter 1 subject Semiconductor Device. First question. By using a suitable diagram, explain how an N-type semiconductor can be produced. First of all, an N-type semiconductor is formed when a small amount of pentavalent impurity is added to a pure germanium or silicon base. For example, the semiconductor is formed with the silicon. Each pentavalent atom forms covalent bond with 4 adjacent silicon atoms. And since only 4 electrons are needed to form a covalent bond, leaving an extra electron becomes a free electron when each pentavalent atom is added here. Originally is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and plus 5 because of the pentavalent atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, the extra electron. In N-type material electron are majority carrier and holds the positive, the minority carrier. Pentavalent, also known as donor atom, since they donate electrons. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is ISMAIL. My metric number 10-21F1047. Today I want to discuss my EOC question number 2. The question is discuss the difference between a full wave settled rectifier and a full wave bridge rectifier. So my answer is for the full wave settled rectifier is using a two of diode. Use a transformer. The pre-inverse is twist the transformer. The voltage drop across the two diodes of settled tap is less. For the full wave bridge rectifier is use a 4 of diode, not use transformer. P inverse voltage is equal to the transformer. The voltage drop across the 4 diode is more than voltage. For the diagram is different. So that's all my presentation. Thank you.
Selamat sejahtera saya ucapkan kepada Encik Sazali. Nama saya VAGISHWARAN. Nombor metrik 10 DTK 21F1045. Hari ini saya ingin membentangkan tentang end of chapter untuk SEM ini. Soalan yang saya memilih adalah question 3. With the aid of diagrams and output waveform, discuss the differences between amplifier class A, B and AB. Amplifiers are classified into classes according to their operating characteristics and output waves because not all amplifiers are the same, and there is a clear distinction made between the way the output stages are configured and operate. Class A amplifiers operate in the linear portion of its characteristic curves. It conducts through a full 360 degrees of the output waveform. The Class B amplifier only conducts through 180 degrees of the output waveform in strict time alternation. But as the output stage has devices for both halves of the signal waveform, the two halves are combined together to produce the full linear output waveform. Class A-B amplifiers is a combination of the Class A and the Class B type amplifiers. The conduction angle of a Class A-B amplifier is somewhere between 180 degrees and 360 degrees, depending upon the chosen bias point as shown. Class A amplifiers create tremendous amounts of heat, giving them very low efficiency, so high power amplifications cannot be done. Class B amplifiers are more efficient than Class A amplifiers as they are more efficient and generate less heat. However, the Class B amplifier has high levels of signal distortion and is unsuitable for precision audio amplifier applications. Class A-B amplifiers are the best amplifiers as they combine the pros of Class A and B amplifiers, making Class A-B amplifiers efficient and accurate audio amplifiers. So this is an example of an output waveform for Class A amplifier. This is an example for Class B amplifier, and this is the drawing of the output waveform for Class A-B amplifier. Based on what I've said, The conduction angle for class A amplifiers is 360 degrees, B is 180 degrees, and for AB it's in between 180 to 360 degrees. The position of Q point in a class A amplifier is on the center point of the load line, while for B it's exactly on the x-axis, and for AB in between center point of load line and x-axis. The efficiency of A is low, B is high, and at AB it is highest point. Signal distortion in A is low if correctly biased, high in B, and low in AB. This is all from me today. Sekian, terima kasih.